Yeah, I have a guess.
Have a guess.
I have a guess.
Athletic.
No, what? You have slim.
Slim hands.
You have fluffy.
Yeah.
You have thick as.
Yeah.
She has slim thick.
Right in the middle.
Slim thick.
Right bounce back in the middle.
Can watch her now. She's slim.
Mm.
And you're so thick. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And as you can see, guys, I'm not by myself. I'm with Platinum.
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah. So today, guys, Silk Boss again. Silk Boss just dropped a song. We're gonna react to Silk Boss song. It name Nah Leave. So Silk Boss, I think this is a girl song. I did ask if you're a weed song, brother. We need a weed song, my G. I know you watch the reaction them and you always a comment. Big up yourself. Big up Trap City Records. Third on my G. Big up yourself, my fam. Your respect is omnipotent. You know what I read that?
Yeah. Omnipotent. What?
Omnipotent.
How do you even write that? How do you spell that?
O-P-nipotent. So yeah.
Silk Boss.
Silk Boss, Nah Leave. So we're gonna jump in on one that look like a girl track. So let's see what I go on.
Real bang record. No blood clot touch me.
Don't touch her.
One bag of waste girl in my road.
Yeah, lovely, sir. Easy yourself, man. And if you married already, see you juggle it. After I'm finished, just go get dressed, see you juggle it.
Badness.
Me know me wrong, me babe.
Yo, even though him wrong, him a make himself know, listen, me a the man. But don't hype up yourself because you're mad, right? Me know you're mad, but don't worry yourself.
Girl.
Real bang
Everything
record.
on the
No
copper
blood clot touch me. Come on, you have one bag of waste girl in my road.
Can't prove that.
Lovely, easy yourself, man. And if you married already, see
See
you
girls
juggle
like
it.
that? See girls like that, yeah? Even though she mad, she's still feeling, dude, isn't it?
Watch it now.
She's still feeling.
Imagine if he was a little soft youth, a little, alright, me not touch it then, me gonna sit down. She don't want that, she don't want them type of man there. Who are say, I ain't gonna what you do? Shake her 2 times. You know what I mean? Them things that for go on with G sometime. We not say abuse the girl, you know.
No.
We don't say abuse the girl, but be a man and stand up firm. You understand?
After I'm finished, just go get dressed, see you juggle
What
it.
you know?
Me know me wrong, me baby girl, but me I tell her me know why you leave me, baby. Me want a girl, me have a fuck, you're the only one to prove a real, me lady. And I
When I admit, the amount of girl me have a fuck, you're the only one to prove it real. You see me, I tell her, I say, listen, the amount of girl what I have, you're the only one fit. You don't know.
The realest one.
Badness it name, man.
see man dog, when I'm gonna call the phone, I'm love it to my heart. I'm fever as a chrome and go fire a couple shot. But they left on a motherfucker girl, but me I tell her me know why you leave me, baby. Me want a girl, me have a fuck, you're the only one to prove a real, me lady. And I see man dog, when I'm gonna call the phone, I'm love it to my heart. I'm fever as a chrome and go fire a couple shot. But they left on a mark, him dead like that.
Girl a freaking.
Yeah, she a freak. Because she love the hand round the neck thing.
Yeah. She not free, for real.
But, you see, man like this, have enough girl a road, make a man ever text film woman when I me at phone.
Man.
Trouble did it, feet! Ah! Hey, you know we are rampant. You deal it. Who takes you away that go? Who? You got school with him? No? You got school from 2003. Which man that?
She says she not leave, but she want her space. Rough her up, big for her heart start race. Blow on her fuck up on the wall, she a brace. Slap her on the body jar, then me grabbing her ear. She says she not leave, but she want her space. Rough her up, big for her heart start race. Blow on her fuck up on the wall, she a brace. Slap her on the...
You just see that?
Yeah, bro.
We just see.
Yo, it's an 18 video, fam. It needs It needs an X rated on the video description.
Mr. Titty.
Yo, Joe Kills, I was just about to say the visuals for this music video is hard. I like the split what they just did from the perspective of the woman and Silk Bass.
Have you talk up?
Yeah, the perspective.
Yeah.
Yeah. The way it's filmed is dope, innit?
Yeah.
And then next minute she strip off.
So big up.
That's gonna.
They got the production team behind that one.
Yeah,
Chop City, big up
straight.
myself, like I say. See me, big up the video man, another one.
But the jar, then me grabbing her ear. She said she not leave, but you want her space. Rough her up, back for your heart, start real.
Mr. Titty Bakaya ears all silk.
Low not fuck up on the wall, she a brace. Slap her funny, but the jar, then me grabbing her ear. Alright, now she a go the next way. I'm a now go give her no chance for she escape. For me, I want her extra. She said, if you left it, talking for your next day, babe. Me know why you left me. And she said, Silk Bass, me know why you stress me. So me say, why you a go left me? She said, no, sir. Meds everything what she tell me. She said she not leave, but she want her stay.
Me know why YouTube black me sorry, you know. Me pause it on a video and I said, look on a girl. YouTube said no. No, I said that. Yo, that youth are different, bro. At the first year, me just make a year a couple songs with him before the thing start. The youth different, dog. Like him have a place in a dance of himself.
Yeah.
And not just him alone in him lane, brother. The man like everything, like him can't miss right now.
Yeah.
Everything I hit.
Yeah. I feel like, dancehall right now have a lot of new artists, up and coming artists, and they're all exciting. They're all doing their thing right now. But you see, from everything I've heard from Silk Boss at this moment in time, has been a banger. Has been a whole different thing. And it's not the same formula. Each one is different. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Because him give a reality song, him give a girl song before this too. Him give a gun song. Yeah. And Silk Bass, we want a weed song, brother. Complete the thing with a weed song now.
Yeah.
You hear that? We want a weed song with G. Run it.
Yes, rough her up, make for your heart, start race. Low and hard, fuck up on the wall, she a brace. Slap her up on the body jar, then me grabbing her ear. She says she not leave, but she want her space. Rough her up, make for your heart, start race. Low and hard, fuck up on the wall, she a brace. Slap her up on the body jar, then me grabbing her ear.
That video is soft porn. Silk Bass, me not concentrate on what you say no more. Me tell you the truth, brother. Me try concentrate, but it's hard. With a girl like this in the video, I'm distracted, man.
Listen, she needs a raise.
I'm distracted, man. I'm distracted, brother.
Alright, but a rascal, come over here so girl and make me fuck your hard. Me money no fuck you, but link the palm my grass and chain a drip and me no ask her what the cost for.
Yeah, that man said money enough for Cuban link up on the Ross and you know rolly. So it was a drip.
So I was looking at something else.
Eh?
I was looking at something else.
Oh, and the girl you look on.
Bare distracted.
And the girl you look on dog.
Hard up in night, ring look on the star one. So wine fast, I'm me on the boss, girl.
Oh, for sister this. Yeah, oh, for sister this, my youth. Oh, for sister this. I must smarty sister this, you know. I smarty cousin, you know. Smarty when no word sliding on my DM. Silk Bass, me a beg that girl, brother. Tell you, me a beg that girl, brother. Silk Bass have Brie already. Silk Bass no want shit. Me a beg her. Yeah, him and Brie. Big up yourself, Brie. Brie, me a take that one off of Silk Bass on. I said it.
And she a said she not leave, but she want her space. Rough her up, big for her heart, start race. Low and hard, fuck up on the wall, she a brace. Slap her up on the body jar, then me grabbing her ear. She said she not leave, but she want her space. Rough her up, big for her heart, start race. Low and hard, fuck up on the wall, she a brace. Slap her up on the body jar, then me grabbing her ear.
Never see me call the phone.
Babes,
Come tell me like I know
so you move.
You see them girls now? You know how to describe them girls? Body type?
Oh, what?
Yeah, have a guess.
Have a guess.
Have a guess.
Athletic.
No, what you have slim.
Slim hands.
You have fluffy.
Yeah.
You have thick as.
Yeah.
She has slim thick.
Right in the middle.
Slim thick.
Right bounce back in the middle.
Can watch her now. She's slim
Mm.
and you're so thick. Daja. Say,
Yo.
boss, song bad, but I'm not pretty song. I girl, me a pretty better. Because I said David G. Yeah, that.
I'm in so much trouble, man.
No, you're not in trouble, man. A video. A video. Wife not doing nothing. Video, we have video. And me a dry out. What have you did?
So baby, you move, so you flex like you're breathing.
Cover up, make for your heart start racing.
I'm gonna
Going
remember.
on, fuck up on a while, she a brace up.
Look at
And
the
I got it shot, then we got in her ear.
What?
I'm gonna remember. That's she not gonna win. Look at attention she want, man. Big up the girl them who know how to get them man attention, you know. Cause some of them girls will cause one bag of argument. She go out there, she cause her argument, and she come back in, and she calm down. Even though when the party done, she have to pick up every dollar bill off her ground. Cause she backs out everything out of the man and she slim thick. What's your name? Silk.
Slim.
Thick. Silk.
She understood the assignment.
And she do it. She fulfill the assignment.
Yeah.
So all them man them out there when I get no pum pum. On number that go high is no kite. In Jamaica one time we have fly kite.
Yeah.
We go son and drag it down and pull it and drag it down
Oh,
and pull it
right.
down. So when we say about the ice the kite,
Yeah.
the man never go back them face and wank.
Oh, bro.
You understand? So you know when a man go ice no kite over the girl, she look hot still.
Yeah.
Silk sang bad as usual, brother. Nothing to say your word pan. Video quality up.
Yeah.
Like what you said earlier on, production team did good.
Yeah.
You see me?
bro.
Rhythm just right. The story in the video, right. You see me? It fit it. It's a bit raunchy. But it is what it is. Over sister that man, no. But yeah. This time I'm gonna leave that one still. You have nothing more to say, bro?
Nah. Nothing
Yeah?
that you have already said. Video, top, the girl, killed it.
Definitely.
Silk Boss
Yeah.
is in his own lane at the moment. He's definitely in his bag. So I'm
Definitely.
looking forward to seeing more from him because, you shot fam.
You see the thing though, you can talk to him personally because him watch the video them.
Oh, for
And
real?
him comment, him comment and watch
Yeah.
the video them and thing, man. Him comment, so you can talk
Alright.
to him personally. So Silk Boss, we look for more. Silk Boss, we need a weed song.
Weed song.
Because I see you smoke your weed hard,
Mhm.
so we need a meditation weed song with you. You understand? So we can say, yeah, Silk Boss cover all of the topics that we need to cover right now.
It's got everything.
Yeah, you see me? I we need a couple more gun songs to ya, man. Jano. I know we need say last time so nobody do no more gun song, but we need a couple more because the gun song them bad, dog. You see me? So anyway, this is how we're gonna leave that one. If you enjoyed that one, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe on it. If you're new, don't forget to leave a like. It's free! Huh?
Subscribe, hit the bell.
Free! All free. Entertainment is free over here. Big up on the safe and outside.